Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's write and balance a formula from words. Copper, Roman numeral 2, hydroxide. When we look on the periodic chart, the symbol for copper is big C, little u. And we need to memorize polyatomic ions. I have another video reviewing these with you. Please check that out. Hydroxide is OH minus 1, and we know that copper is 2 plus because of this Roman numeral 2. I started teaching high school back in the 80s, and I did not say 2 plus and 1 minus. I said plus 2 and minus 1. I don't really know how that makes a lot of difference, but the textbooks now are doing it this way, so let us comply. Well, we have a plus 2 here and a minus 1 here. How do we get two negative ones? We have to put parentheses around this hydroxide and take two of these to multiply. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and that balances with the plus 2. So there you go. That's the balance formula for copper 2 hydroxide.